When using teamwork projects, you might want to browse through all of the active tasks across all of your projects. The Active Tasks tab within the Everything section in Teamwork Projects allows you to easily do this with the ability to refine the tasks displayed using Teamwork's filter functionality. If we want to view all of our active tasks across all of our projects, we just need to make sure that we choose the Active Tasks tab within the Everything section. And down here we can see a full list of all of our tasks across all of our projects, and we can see the company, we can see the project, up here we can see the task list, and here we can see the tasks themselves. You can see here that if we hover over our task, we have all the same functionality here as we would if we went into the specific project that the task was in. We can edit the task, we can use the quick drop down menu here, we can mark our task as complete, we can see who was assigned the task, we can see the task name, we can see the comments, we can see the percentage complete, we can follow our task, we can log time to the task, we can see the start date and due date, we can see the priority, we can set reminders for the task, we can quick view our task, and we can add a tag to our task. And over on the right hand side here you can see that we can also click to add an estimated time to our task. Up here on the top right you can see that we can sort all of our tasks here, so you can sort by start date, due date, date added, project, priority, or company. And if we click on the arrow icon next to this, we can alternate between ascending and descending order. Looking at the options button here, we can choose to bulk edit our tasks or export the list of tasks. So looking at editing our tasks, we can select which tasks we want to edit. So let's say I want to edit the resize our company logo task, and I want to edit the demo task here. Just select the next button, and here we can see we can change the start date, due date, the progress, estimated time, priority, and tags. So let's say that I want to change the progress of these tags. Just hit the select button here, and let's say we want them to be 40% complete. Then just select update tasks, and your tasks have been bulk edited. The true power of the All Active Tasks tab can be seen when used with Teamwork's filtering functionality. Filters allow you to refine the list of tasks displayed based on a number of optional factors. To create a filter, we just need to go over here to the top right and select the Filters button. So our first filtering option here is that we can select a keyword. So this means that we'll only get tasks returned that contain the keyword that we've selected. So let's say that I only want to see tasks with the word support in them. And now we can see our list has dynamically refined down to just the tasks with the word support in them. Below this you can see that we can also filter by project. Now this can be as many or as few projects as you like. So let's say that I want to include the company newsletter, live action workflow, and Project Gantt. And if we ever need to remove one of these projects from our filter, we just need to go over to the project name and select the X button next to it. Below this we can see that we can also filter by who has been assigned the task. So here I'm just going to say that I want tasks that have been assigned to Adrian and to anyone. So now my filter includes tasks that are assigned directly for Adrian and tasks that haven't been assigned to anyone in particular. And down here you can see that we have two checkbox options where we can select all assigned tasks, and we can select to include unassigned tasks. And down here you can see that we can filter by date also, so this can be anytime, overdue, yesterday, today, tomorrow, this week, within a specific number of days back. We can select an entirely custom date range, we can select tasks with no due date, we can select tasks with no start date, and we can select tasks with no start date or no due date. We can also filter by tag, and again this can be as many or as few tags as you like. Similarly, we can also filter by priority, so we can select any priority, high, medium, or low priority. We can also filter our tasks by who follows the task. Again, this can be as many or as few people as you like. Likewise, we can also filter by who created the task. So let's say that I want to include tasks created by myself and by Victor Barry. In the options section here, we can choose whether or not we want to include blocked tasks. So blocked tasks in this case are tasks that will either have a dependency on another task or contains subtasks that need to be completed first. So let's say that we don't want to include our blocked tasks. If for whatever reason we're not happy with our filter, we can choose to clear it here, or alternatively, if we are happy with our filter and we feel like we will use it again, we can save our filter. In the pop-up window here, we just need to give our filter a name, so I'm just going to call this support tasks. And optionally, we can also add a description to our filter if we want. But once we're happy with our filter name and description, we just need to go down here and select add filter. And up on the top of the filter window here, we can click saved filters and we can see that our support tasks filter has been added to our list of filters. And if we click the options drop down here on the right hand side, you can see that we can edit or delete our filter. And there we go. Now we have successfully managed to refine our list of active tasks across all of our projects. Nice and simple.